So I'd like to wish all my friends and family who know what time it is to a happy MLK Day. At the time of this filming, it is well below freezing, and I'm even sure that some of my viewers are wondering why I have 3 of my most expensive horses outside. And the reason, folks, is simple. As nice as these 3 items are, what I'm about to bring you is on a
whole nother level.
So folks, I'm gonna be the first to admit it. It has been time for us to experience a dual-motored electric scooter on this channel. And with a little time and patience, I think I found the best company for me to represent and to be represented on this channel. So more on that later. Let's get this bad boy assembled. So what exactly is this thing? Folks, this is the Zondoo ZO03. Now, out of all the companies I could have contacted to work with, why Zondoo? And it comes down to 3 reasons and 1 person. I want to thank YouTuber Garrett Russell, who made this video, and even though it's a little windblown, he did mention he had an issue with his scooter, and the company contacted him right away to fix it. I think he mentioned the gentleman's name is Leon. So next is off to Amazon to check the company's reviews. I keep hearing good things about this customer service. And I'm telling you, I can't find it now, but I'm pretty sure I came across Leon's name in one of them. So let's shoot off a quick email and see if they're even interested in working with me. And you'll never believe who said yes. See folks, it turns out that Leon is the owner of the company. And that is why I chose Zondoo. Because if the owner of the company can work as hard as Leon does, then I have no problem representing him on this particular channel. So this particular model of bike has a 60 volt 35 amp hour battery and 2 separate controllers to control each 3,000 watt motor, and together that will make a total of 6,000 watts, which if I do my math right turns out to be 8.2 horsepower. So at that horsepower, and with estimated speeds of 60 miles per hour, to stop all that speed, at least they have the Zoom hydraulic brake system. And this will be the first electric scooter that I own with hydraulic brakes. They also have some pretty robust traveling forks in the front, with a spring system set up for the rear. Also features the more common headlights you find on these scooters, but I'm even more impressed by having working turn signals. The seat can be easily removed by removing these 4 bolts, and then you can stand on the scooter, which in turn will be useful with this armor kick plate. The front and the back of the scooter come with these lights, but if you turn it on and hit the brake, they also have a different set of brake lights. Look, this thing is so powerful it has to have not 1 but 2 charging ports on it. Along with the scooter comes 2 chargers, spare inner tube, your remote for your lights, your Zondoo carrying case, your Allen tool, and some extra bolts. The bike is so incredibly fast that you can even purchase a steering dampener optional. But for our purposes, I felt we'd need it. So due to my weather constraints, I won't be able to put this bad boy on the road for a while. So this is for those whose anticipation is overwhelming. Till next time, I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace, ma.